If you're over 50 and your legs feel weaker, your balance isn't as steady, or getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to, your glutes might be the reason. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Weak glutes are one of the biggest causes of falls, back pain, and loss of independence. But it doesn't happen overnight. It starts slowly, from sitting too much, moving less, and not activating the right muscles. Your glutes, the strongest muscles in your body, basically switch off. And when that happens, your hips weaken, your posture changes, your balance drops, and suddenly you feel less stable walking. Stairs feel harder. Standing up takes effort. This isn't just about strength, it's about confidence. Because when your body feels weak, you start to hold back. But here's the good news. You can rebuild your glutes at any age, even after 60, 70, or beyond. And you don't need a gym, just a few simple exercises done consistently. Exercise 1, Glute Bridge Foundation. Let's start with the most important one, Glute Bridges. Lie on your back. Bend your knees, feet flat on the floor. Now slowly lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for 2-3 seconds. Then lower down. Repeat. This reactivates your glutes, the muscles that go sleep mode from sitting too much. When these wake up, your hips feel stronger. Your lower back feels supported. Your movement becomes easier. Start with 10 reps. If this already feels challenging, you're targeting exactly what needs work. Exercise 2, Sit to Stand. Real life power. This one is simple, but life-changing. Sit on a chair. Cross your arms over your chest. Now stand up, without using your hands. Then sit back down slowly. Repeat. This builds strength in your glutes, thighs, and core, the exact muscles you use every day. And let's be honest, the ability to stand up easily, that's independence. Lose that, and everything becomes harder. Start with 5 reps, build to 15. If you're getting value from this, tap the like button. It helps more people over 50 stay strong and independent. Exercise 3, Step Back Lunges. Balance plus strength. Now, let's add a bit more challenge. Stand tall. Step one leg back, lower slightly, then return. Switch sides. Go slow. This improves balance, coordination, and glute strength at the same time. And it trains your body for real life movement, like walking, turning, and stepping safely. Start with 5 reps per leg. But here's what most people miss. Strength alone isn't enough. You need activation. Exercise 4, Standing glute kickbacks. Activation. Hold on to a chair. Kick one leg straight back. Slowly. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower down. Repeat, then switch sides. This directly targets your glutes and helps your brain reconnect with the muscle. Because after years of sitting, that connection gets weak. Do 10 reps per leg. If your glutes don't activate, other muscles take over. That's when pain and imbalance start. Exercise 5, Walking with Purpose. Daily strength. Now let's talk about something you already do, walking. But here's the mistake. Most people walk without engaging their glutes. Short steps, slouched posture. Instead, stand tall. Take slightly longer steps. Push through your hips. Feel your glutes working. This turns everyday walking into strength training. Even 10-15 minutes a day makes a difference. Here's your daily plan. Glute bridges, 10 reps. Sit to stand, 10 reps. Step back lunges, 5 each leg. Kickbacks, 10 each leg. Walking, 10-15 minutes. That's it. No complicated routine, just consistency. If you want simple, effective exercises like this, subscribe to the channel. Because after 50, the right movements matter more than ever. Let me say this clearly. Weak glutes don't just affect your strength. They affect your freedom, your balance, your confidence, your ability to move without fear. So don't wait. Start today, even a few minutes, because the strength you build now is the independence you keep later. Stay strong, stay stable, stay in control.